Morning, everybody. So I was asked about the shot to the tin top jiggy from this platform. This is a pretty precise shot. Usually in runs you would get the jiggy from like that pipe over there. The thing is, this shot is pretty useful to know in bingos because sometimes you're not gonna have claw climber boots when you have to get jiggies in GI. And so the only other way of grabbing that jiggy from that pipe over there would be to drop down from a floor above or do backdoor break-in, but it's a lot faster to just grab this jiggy right after you do the regular break-in, so it's a useful trick to know. It's not crucial, but I mean, you can use it. So first things first, you want to flutter onto this ledge right here, and you can see this fat part of the crate up here, and you basically want to align Banjo's right index finger with the right part of the fat line, and then you want to pull yourself up. Next thing, you want to go into talent shot and go into C up. You can see that you're aiming right at the jiggy. Next thing I like to do, and keep in mind this is just how I do it, I'm pretty sure you don't have to do it exactly like that, but I can get it this way pretty consistently. Next thing I do is I line up the bottom of the reticule with that part of the chain, like the top of the second segment of the chain. And this is the very precise part. I guess I'll just zoom in onto the lamp for this. You can see how it sort of has two different shades, like there's the lighter part up here, and there's this dark gray part down here. And what I do, obviously I wouldn't zoom in for it, I pretty much align the middle of the reticule with the part where the two different shades meet. So let's zoom back out, put the bottom of the reticule right here, and then aim right at that little border. Of course I'm having trouble doing it right now. Dude, what's going on? Come on. I think I was a little bit off here. Yeah, this should be good. Now I want to shoot the clockwork, and as it's flying, I'm gonna hold forward. And there you go. That's how you grab it. One thing that can happen when you're slightly off is that the clockwork will break, but you won't collect the jiggy. That either happens if you're not holding forward, or if you're just slightly off. I don't know what causes it, but once the clockwork breaks without collecting the jiggy, the shot just doesn't work anymore. You have to leave this room, just go back out the window, and then re-enter it, and then you can try it again. I'm not sure what causes it, but I found that, you know, once you miss the shot in that way, you just can't get it anymore. If the clockwork just explodes, you know, you can keep trying, but it also means that your setup is, you know, further off. But yeah, I hope this helps, and I hope you can get the shot. If you're having trouble, you can just message me, and I'll try to help you out. Peace.